Hey everyone, welcome back to Boost Your Income with Bootstrap to WordPress, and in this lecture we're going to easily set up a custom blog index page. Hey guys, welcome back. And what we're going to do here is set up our blog index page. So the first thing you want to do is create a new page and just straight up call it blog. You could call it news or whatever, but for the purposes of this course, I'm going to say stick to calling it blog. Okay, so we got our blog here. Just leave the default template for now, and we're just going to hit publish. We just want to be able to add that page so that we can go in to our settings and reading settings. And then posts, we can finally change this to blog. So now this is telling WordPress, hey, the blog is using the blog page. So I know that sounds kind of stupid. When we create a blog page in Pages, we could tell WordPress what to assign the blog template to by default. So go ahead and hit save. And so head back to the front end of the site, and here's your blog. Click on that and let's see what we get. So we get something. We get kind of generic content here and our sample post that's provided with most WordPress themes. We're going to go and make this look a lot better. Go to your code editor and open up the index.php file. It looks a bit like this. It's called the main template file. The most generic template file in a WordPress theme is one of two required files for a theme. It's used to display a page when nothing more specific matches a query. So it puts together the home page when no home.php file exists, and so on and so forth. So we're going to use this for our blog index page. And it is called index, so that works out pretty well for us. We don't have to do too much here on the index page. We just have to kind of fix up the formatting, and it's actually surprisingly easy. So open up the static version of your blog. So in here, in the blog.html, the static version of it, if you scroll down below header, you should see a thing, an HTML5 tag called section, where we have our feature image with the H1 for the page title. Copy that itself. Go back to your index, and right in under get header, paste that in there. We're going to have that in there, and you don't even need to do anything. Just leave it as is. And then down here, we're going to repurpose this content a little bit. So we need to grab the main tag right here and the primary and container tags. So basically grab all of this, but don't grab any articles, just main and the two divs plus the comment. And we're going to paste that directly under here. And then now what I want to do is I want to close up those tags just to make sure we're not messing around here. And then I want to close that row. That is the ID of primary. And then after that, I want to close up the container. So disregard the stuff down here for a sec. What we want to do inside of our main tag is include the if have posts PHP all the way down to the end if. So everything here. Remove that, paste it in here. There we go. And now, after main, we need to actually have our sidebar. So go back to your blog.html, the static version, and grab the sidebar comment and the aside opening tag. Then all you need to do is paste that after the main tag. Close up that aside tag, and then inside the aside tag, use the get sidebar function down below, paste it in there. There you go. And this looks like it's a little wonky. I'm just going to make sure this is cleaned up properly. There we go. Okay, and remove this just markup down here. Now if I save that, it looks good to me. Let's go back to our blog index page. There we go. It's looking a lot better, isn't it? So that's really it for setting up the blog index page. And what we're going to do next is actually get everything set up, the templates set up for the individual blog excerpts right here, because right now it's a little messy and it doesn't look like it should, which is right here. It needs to look a bit more like this. So let's get to it.